Good morning everyone. Today we'll see how to do the general checkup of Toyota Fortuner. So first of all we'll see the uh, battery part. So this is the battery. So there is a particular mark it is having 2 to 3 marks. If it is white, then it sees you have to charge the battery. The mark should be green. If it is green, then it is totally charged. If it is white, then you have to charge. So this is the steering oil, power steering oil. So this is the minimum mark and maximum mark. So minimum mark means the oil is at minimum level, and maximum marks is if the oil is at maximum level. So it should be in between that. So oil should be in between both marks. So otherwise the power steering will not work properly. So also you can check the oil position. So this is the wiper water for wipers. This is the oil air filter. Air filter. And this is the AC check. You can check the gas. If the pressure is more, you can simply press that. If the pressure is okay, then no need to fill the gas. If the pressure is less, then you have to fill the gas, AC gas. It affects the cooling also. Another thing is this is the brake oil. Brake oil means you have to. There is also minimum and maximum mark on that particular thing. So you have to maintain in between that. So another thing is this is the actuator for power boost. Actuator is used for the power boost. So if it is working, then it will work. It will give proper power to the engine. If it is not working, then you have to check the. Another thing is this. This is the oil. You can check the oil level. This is the dipstick. By taking out, you can see there is a minimum mark and maximum mark on that. So you have to maintain between two minimum and maximum marks.